Hey everyone, and welcome back to Finance and Blockchain Hub, your go-to destination for all things related to finance, blockchain, and the ever-evolving world of decentralized technologies. If you're passionate about staying on top of the latest trends in decentralized finance, exploring innovative blockchain projects, and gaining valuable insights into the dynamic world of finance, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that's been causing quite a buzz: decentralized finance, better known as DeFi. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Our community is all about fostering knowledge, discussions, and connections in the finance and blockchain space. Now, let's get started on our exploration of what is DeFi here on Finance and Blockchain Hub. Alright, let's kick things off by demystifying the term DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it represents a groundbreaking shift in how we approach traditional financial systems. At its core, DeFi is about embracing a decentralized approach to financial services, cutting out the middlemen and putting the power back into the hands of the users. This is achieved through the use of blockchain technology, which operates on a peer-to-peer network, removing the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. Imagine a financial ecosystem where transactions are not controlled by a central authority but are instead executed through smart contracts, self-executing pieces of code that run on the blockchain. These smart contracts enforce and automate the terms of agreements, providing transparency and security. So, in essence, decentralized finance is not just a set of financial tools, it's a paradigm shift, a movement that aims to create a more inclusive, accessible, and equitable financial system. Before we dive deeper into the fascinating world of DeFi, a quick shout out to our fantastic sponsor, Stake.com, your go-to destination for an immersive crypto casino and sportsbook experience. Whether you're feeling lucky at the slots or looking to place strategic bets on your favorite sports, Stake.com offers a secure and thrilling platform. With a variety of cryptocurrencies accepted and a user-friendly interface, Stake.com brings the excitement of traditional gaming into the decentralized age. Check them out through the link in the description to elevate your gaming experience with Stake.com, where every bet is a new adventure in the world of crypto entertainment. Now that we've got a grasp on what DeFi is, let's break down its key building blocks. Smart contracts. At the heart of decentralized finance are smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Smart contracts automate and enforce agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Think of them as the digital glue that holds the DeFi ecosystem together. Decentralized exchanges, DeFis. One of the pillars of DeFi is the existence of decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap operate without a central authority, allowing users to trade directly from their wallets. This fosters a more open and accessible trading environment. Lending and borrowing platforms. DeFi opens up new possibilities for lending and borrowing. Platforms like Aave and Compound allow users to lend their assets and earn interest or borrow assets by providing collateral. It's a peer-to-peer lending model without the need for traditional banks. Governance tokens. Many DeFi projects have introduced governance tokens that give users a say in the decision-making process. Holders of these tokens can propose and vote on changes to the protocol, making it a truly community-driven endeavor. Oracles. To connect the decentralized world with real-world data, DeFi relies on oracles. Oracles provide smart contracts with information such as asset prices and market data, ensuring that DeFi applications can make informed decisions. These components work in harmony, creating a decentralized financial ecosystem that's more accessible and versatile than ever before. Now that we've explored the fundamental components of DeFi, let's dive into why this revolutionary concept is gaining so much traction. There are several key benefits that make decentralized finance a game changer in the world of finance. 1. Financial inclusion. One of the most significant advantages of DeFi is its potential to promote financial inclusion. Traditional financial systems often exclude large portions of the global population. DeFi, on the other hand, allows anyone with an internet connection to access financial services, regardless of their location or background. 2. Global accessibility. DeFi operates on a decentralized and borderless blockchain network, breaking down geographical barriers. Users can participate in the financial ecosystem without being subject to the limitations imposed by traditional banking systems. This global accessibility fosters a more interconnected and diverse financial landscape. 3. Reduced dependence on intermediaries. By leveraging blockchain technology and smart contracts, DeFi eliminates the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. This not only reduces transaction costs but also minimizes the risk of human error and fraud. Users have more control over their assets and can engage in financial activities without relying on centralized entities. 4. Programmable finance. Smart contracts enable programmable finance within the DeFi space. Users can automate various financial activities, from executing trades to earning interest on their assets. This programmability adds a layer of efficiency and flexibility to financial transactions. 5. Transparency and security. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures transparency in transactions. Every action taken on the blockchain is recorded and verifiable, enhancing security. Additionally, with assets held in users' wallets rather than centralized exchanges, the risk of hacking attacks is significantly reduced. 6. Innovation and experimentation. DeFi is a hotbed for innovation. The open nature of the ecosystem allows developers to experiment with new financial instruments and solutions. This constant innovation contributes to the evolution of the financial industry as a whole. As we navigate through the exciting realm of decentralized finance, it's crucial to shine a light on the potential risks and challenges that come with this innovative space. 1. Smart contract vulnerabilities. While smart contracts offer transparency and automation, they are not immune to vulnerabilities. Coding errors or flaws in smart contracts can lead to serious consequences, including the loss of funds. It's essential for users to conduct thorough audits and due diligence before engaging with any DeFi project. 2. Price volatility. DeFi tokens, like many other cryptocurrencies, are known for their price volatility. The value of these assets can experience significant fluctuations, posing risks to investors and users. Understanding and managing this volatility is key for those participating in the DeFi ecosystem. 3. Regulatory uncertainties. The regulatory landscape for DeFi is still evolving. The lack of clear regulations in some jurisdictions can create uncertainty for both users and developers. Participants in the DeFi space should stay informed about regulatory developments to navigate potential challenges. 4. Liquidity risks. Decentralized exchanges rely on liquidity provided by users. Sudden changes in liquidity can impact the efficiency of trading and borrowing. Users should be aware of the liquidity risks associated with different DeFi platforms and protocols. 5. User responsibility. In the traditional financial system, intermediaries often provide a safety net for users. In DeFi, users have more control over their assets, but this also means they bear more responsibility. Private key management, understanding smart contracts, and staying vigilant against potential threats are crucial aspects of user responsibility. 6. Market manipulation. The decentralized nature of DeFi does not make it immune to market manipulation. Participants should be cautious of potential manipulative practices that can affect token prices and overall market dynamics. Understanding these risks is paramount for anyone involved in the DeFi space. As we wrap up our exploration of decentralized finance, let's turn our attention to the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the future of DeFi. 1. Integration with traditional finance. One of the most anticipated developments is the integration of DeFi with traditional finance. As the DeFi ecosystem matures, we may see increased collaboration and bridges being built between decentralized and traditional financial systems. This could potentially bring the benefits of DeFi to a wider audience. 2. Interoperability and cross-chain solutions. The future of DeFi involves overcoming the challenges of interoperability between different blockchain networks. Innovations in cross-chain solutions aim to create a more interconnected and seamless DeFi experience, allowing assets to move seamlessly across various blockchain platforms. 3. Enhanced user experience. As the DeFi space evolves, there's a growing focus on improving the user experience. User interfaces, security features, and overall accessibility are areas where continuous innovation is expected. This will make DeFi more user-friendly and attractive to a broader audience. 4. Expansion of use cases. DeFi is not limited to just lending and borrowing. The future will likely bring forth a myriad of new use cases and financial instruments within the decentralized finance space. This could include innovations in insurance, decentralized identity, and more. 5. Regulatory clarity. The regulatory landscape for DeFi is evolving, and increased regulatory clarity is anticipated. As governments and regulatory bodies provide clearer guidelines, it could lead to a more stable and secure environment for participants, fostering broader adoption. 6. Continued innovation. The hallmark of DeFi is innovation, and this trend is expected to continue. Developers and projects within the ecosystem will likely introduce novel solutions, refining existing protocols, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible within decentralized finance. As we gaze into the future of DeFi, it's clear that this space holds immense potential for reshaping the global financial landscape. Thanks for joining us on this journey through decentralized finance on Finance and Blockchain Hub. We've explored the basics, benefits, risks, and the exciting future of DeFi. Remember, DeFi is reshaping finance with its transparency and accessibility. If you enjoyed this dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious and informed as we continue unraveling finance and blockchain mysteries. See you in the next video for more insights into the decentralized world of finance on Finance and Blockchain Hub.